Welcome to the 3D Ghost universe, a place dedicated to 3D creation and 3D printing. I want to illustrate what is removing supports by showing you in 1 minute what took me 15 minutes. It's working on maybe the toughest supports that I build for the moment. There is a high density of support and the foot, the legs of the dog are fragile, so you have to do it carefully. In order to remove properly the supports, I'm working with precision tools, my hand for the beginning, and then I'm using some tools. When you have some high density supports, I think that the best way is to try to do some cuts inside the support in order to break it at the end. If you are owning a little rotary tool, it could be useful. But pliers will always be your best friend. I am using flat plier in order to remove the pieces and a cutting one in order to create holes in the plastic. And of course you can work with ordinary tools. This is just that for me I prefer to work with precision tools because I'm the kind of guy that is breaking everything that he is touching. And after removing a big part of the supports, the end will come quite easily. And finally, after removing the support, you will have some extra materials, extra plastic that you will need to work on it. But as you can see, it's quite easy, it's quite quick, and it will depend of your will and of your tolerance if you want a perfect object or if it's okay for you if you have some little bubbles. And to be fair, it's a kind of default that you cannot see, it's almost invisible if you don't have the eye perfectly on the object. And speaking of your eyes, I'm always working with glass protection. This is really important because plastic can easily jump into your eye.